Assalamualaikum and hi guys. On today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how to actually freeze the first row in our Excel. So like you see in my screen that the first row, which is the number, name, and also application here, does not even move even though I scroll down or I scroll up, it is still there. So it is freeze. So in another sheet, which is my second sheet, here the first row has not yet been freeze. So how to actually freeze this row? So after you make the column and all of the things that you need, you have to actually go to the view here, to the view, and then you click the freeze panes, and then you can choose either of the three options provided here. You can freeze the panes, which is the first row, or also the first column, and you can freeze the top row, like in this case, or you can also freeze only the first column, like here, like the first number, only the first number. But in my occasion here, I want to freeze the first row, so I will have to choose the second option here. So then after that, you can actually see that it worked. And